World Cup 2014 is getting more dramatic day by day. This time a breathtaking fight back by the Dutch, eliminating Mexico. Trailing 1-0, Louis van Gaal rolled the dice again when he replaced Robin Van Persie with less than 15 minutes on the clock, and the new Manchester United manager was rewarded with a kind of late fight back we've seen so many times down the years at Old Trafford. In the searing heat, it was Mexico who dominated the early exchanges, and when Giovani Do Santos gave them the lead, it looked decisive. A string of brave second-half saves by Guilermo Ochoa kept Holland at bay until 2 minutes from the end of normal time, and a brilliant strike by Wesley Sneijder. Then came the real drama deep into injury time when Arjen Robben won a penalty with another typical dazzling run, and it was substitute Huntelaar who kept his nerve to win the game from the spot. The team they'll face in the quarter-finals is Costa Rica, who had to dig deep to see off the challenge of Greece in tonight's other dramatic round of 16 game. The Greeks fell behind when Brian Ruiz struck at the start of the second half, but a red card left the Costa Ricans with 10 men and looked like being the turning point. Just as they'd done to eliminate the Ivory Coast in their previous match, the Greeks saved themselves in injury time with an equaliser from Socrates Papastathopoulos. No goals in extra time meant the match went to penalties, and the Costa Ricans scored 5 out of 5 to claim a place in the quarter-finals for the first time in their history. So the Dutch will now really fancy their chances of reaching the last 4 and will start next Saturday's quarter-final as firm favourites. But no one is ruling out the Costa Ricans as no-hopers. They've already knocked out England, Italy, Uruguay and now Greece.